Hello grade 1 children. In math, till now we have learned about 2D shape and 3D shapes, right? Today we will be solving checkpoint 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your notebook. आज हम लोग checkpoint 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be solving in notebook. ठीक है, teacher will guide you, teacher will show you all how to write in notebook. Need not worry. Fine, we'll be discussing the answers first. Teacher discuss करेगी आपसे answers. Then you have to write in your notebook. So be ready with your notebook and a sharpened pencil with you all and a eraser. Fine. So I'll be sharing my screen right now. Yes. So course book checkpoint is there in your course book. So this is the first checkpoint. Okay. So match the column. So here how you will be solving on one side. Just observe this. On one side A, B, C, D is written and besides that उसके बाजू में shapes है. Right? And उसके बाजू में on the right hand side some words are given. So you have to match these words to the shapes. ठीक है, जो भी shape है वो आपको correct जवाब देना है and that you have to match with the correct word, correct answer. Fine. So are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Yes, grade 1 children are ready to answer. So A, which shape is that, children? Correct. It is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. So correct answer for A is circle. That is number 3. Can you see number 3? Yes, number 3 is circle. Then next, B. Which shape is that? बोलो बोलो कौन सा shape है वो? Square. Good, smarty kids. Yes, the answer is square. So where square is written? Option number 4. Right. So correct answer for B is option 4. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Next, C. Rectangle. Where is rectangle? First option, yes, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. The last one, which shape is that? Bolo bolo. Triangle, yes. Second option, triangle. Yes, you all gave right answers. Now, how you have to write in your notebook? I will be showing in next slide. आपको कैसे लिखना है book में? Teacher आपको बताएगी. Okay? See children, this is the way you have to write in your notebook. Chapter 5, course book dash page 80, 8080, checkpoint 1. Okay, the one which we solved right now, हम लोग ने अभी solve किया ना, वो ही है ये checkpoint 1 and एक के नीचे एक, leave one line, write neatly A-3, B-4, C-1, D-2. Fine. See how teacher has written? Same way you have to write. Okay. Chapter number 5. Course book dash page 80. Checkpoint 1 and answers. A, B, C, D and answers for that. Okay. So next we move on to checkpoint 2. Again, now these are 3D shapes. We have learned about 3D shapes, right? Cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. 5 shapes, right? Now this is related to that. Okay, this checkpoint 2 is related to 3D shapes. Now checkpoint 2 is match the following again. On one side, on the left hand side, all the shapes are given and another side, all the answers, they are jumbled up. So we have to find the correct answer for that. Correct answer for each and every shape. Fine. So first, A, that is A. Which shape is that, children? बोलो बोलो कौन सा shape है? कौन है? नहीं. Cube है? Correct. Cube है ना? Cube कैसे दिखता है ना वो? टीचर ने ऑब्जेक्ट्स बताए थे ना एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे. Yes. So A is cube and cube कहाँ पे लिखा है? Option number 2. CUBE, cube. Okay. Next, don't write now. Teacher will give you time. Teacher बताएगी आपको कैसे लिखना. अभी ध्यान से सुनो. Fine. So A cube है. Second one, B. कैसे दिखता है ये? क्या है? कौन सा शेप है? कौन सा 3D शेप है? बोलो. Yes, that is cuboid. Correct. So B, answer for B is cuboid, and cuboid is option number 4. CUBOID, cuboid. Smart children, you're answering. I know that. Then next is C. Which shape is that? Your favorite. Yes, cone, ice cream cone. It looks like ice cream cone. So correct answer is cone. Well done. That is option number 1. CONE, cone. Right? Next, D. Which shape is that? Which shape is that? Yes, you guessed it right, children. It is cylinder. It looks like cylinder, right? So correct answer is option number 5. So for D, the answer is cylinder and the option is 5, cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. Last one, E. This is so simple. Are you told the answer? Yes, the answer is sphere. Simple, right? So the correct option is 3. The shape is sphere. Fine. SPHERE. Yes, well done, kids. You know the answer. Now, how to write the answers in your notebook? I'll show it to you right now. Yes, this is the way you have to write. Okay, you can take a fresh page and write checkpoint 2 dash page 82. Page number you have to write so that you'll come to know. आपको पता चलेगा checkpoint 2 कौन से पेज पे है कोर्स बुक का, है ना? तो that is why you have to write checkpoint 2 page 82. And this is the way you have to write the answer. आपको पूरा पूरा word नहीं लिखना है. You don't have to write. Just write A dash 2, B dash 4, C dash 1, D dash V, and E dash 3. Okay. So A is 2, B is 4, C is 1, D is 5, and E is 3. Right? So next, checkpoint 3 and checkpoint 4. So checkpoint 3 says, which 2D shape will be obtained after tracing your course book? आपके पास जो कोर्स बुक अभी आएगा, जो मिलेगा आपको, थोड़े लोगों के पास है, थोड़े लोगों के पास नहीं है. Don't worry, teacher will show you how course book looks like. Okay, so we have to trace that shape. हमें बताना है कि वो कोर्स बुक का कौन सा शेप है. So ये कौन सा शेप है? Which 2D shape this is? बोलो कौन सा शेप है? ये स्क्वायर है, सर्कल है? No, this is rectangle. Correct, you all are right. Rectangle. Okay, so this is 2D shape, rectangle. Okay, now nobody will write. Teacher will tell you how to write. Okay, wait. We'll solve checkpoint 4 also. Now what is checkpoint 4? Do these objects roll or slide when you push them away from you? Tell your teacher. ओके, अभी ये क्वेश्चन क्या है, नीचे थोड़े ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिया है उन्होंने. इफ यू पुश देम और इफ यू रोल, ये क्या करना है आपको, इसका जवाब क्या है? यू हैव टू टेल योर टीचर. सो वन बाय वन विल डिस्कस कि ये रोल होता है कि ये स्लाइड होता है, एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट द आंसर. ओके, सो अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर्स ऑफ मार्बल, इरेजर, रूलर, pencil and orange. We have to see whether it will roll or slide. Okay, yes, see the first picture, marble. So it has curve shape, right? So it will roll. It does it have flat surface? No, na. It has a curved surface, so it will roll. Fine. Next, eraser. आपके हाथों में भी है ना, आपके हाथ में है ना इरेजर? Yes, so that is flat surface, right? So the flat surface will slide. It will not roll. It doesn't have a curved surface. It has a flat surface. So a flat surface will always slide. Fine, the answer is slide. Next, ruler. Ruler also has a flat surface. Does it have a curved surface? No, it has a flat surface. So it will slide. Ruler will slide. Next, pencil. Pencil also has a curved surface. So it will roll. R-O-L-L, roll. Fine. Next, orange. Fruit. Yes, you are right. Fruit. It will roll. It has a curved surface. Flat surface है क्या orange को? नहीं ना. So it will roll. R-O-L-L, roll. समझा? So marble will roll, eraser will slide, ruler will slide, pencil will roll, and orange will also roll. So this way you have to write the answers in your notebook. Checkpoint 3, page 84. Which 2D shape did we get for course book? Rectangle. So you will write ANS. Answer for that, checkpoint 3, that is rectangle. And then leave one line, एक line छोड़ के आपको checkpoint 4, जो हम लोग ने अभी objects देखे ना, उसका answers लिखना है ऐसे. The same way I have shown it, right? Checkpoint 4, page 84. Just write the way I have written. टीचर ने कैसे एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखा है ना, आप स्पेलिंग बराबर देखो. ROLL, roll, SLIDE, slide. ठीक है, आज के दिन इतना ही. See you next time. Bye children. Thank you.